Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. My name is Susie, and if you're seeing me for the first time, welcome. If you're an old subscriber, thank you for stopping by once again. If you see me with the same look in a lot of videos, know that today is my free day and I'm making quite a few videos today. So I am so excited because this is gonna be my first ever pair of Christian Louboutin. And before you even come in the comments telling me how to pronounce Louboutin, don't even try it, okay? So it is called Christian Louboutin, and I ordered two pairs of different styles. So in this box, like you can see, it's still sealed. I haven't even opened it. I have my address right here, which I'm gonna hide. Okay, so I haven't even taken a look. I really hope I like this. So I don't know which, because I bought two different styles. I don't know which is in here, so we're gonna do that together. Let's see. I have a scissors right here, and mind you, like I said, this is my first ever pair. For some reason, I never actually cared, but maybe, I don't know, it's an age thing. I just felt the need to, pumps have never really been my thing, to be honest. I've tried a few and I didn't really like how they fit. I don't know, I didn't like how they fit, or but I really enjoyed on other people. When I see other women with pumps, I think it's the most sexy thing, but on my feet, I really never cared. So, okay, I ordered it from a website called Carvo.co, and it's a Norwegian website. So it comes with this envelope. Let's see. It says, "Thank you for your order. Hope to see you here again." That makes me feel special. And if you want to return it, it just gives you some instructions on what to do. And this looks really, really, really well made. It makes me feel special. And it has this envelope. Okay, whatever. Let me show you how it looks in the pack. This, I cannot be careful because I just cannot wait to open these bad boys. So that's the generic Christian Louboutin box, and I'm quite excited. Okay, this one is the Pigalle or Pigalles, and my size is a size 42. I have really, really big feet. So it comes with its teeny tiny dust bag. I think that's the heel replacement. Christy?
Ja. Hej.
Hi. Går det bra?
Ja.
Ja. Hämtade du brunnen?
Nej, jag var på uteskola så var vi där så jag gick förbi.
Okay.
Om vi stod och petade.
Comes with one dust bag. It could have been two. I mean, for the price we're paying for this could have been two. But okay, now I'm excited. Oh my god, these are beautiful. I really hope they fit, because my legs or my feet are huge. But this looks so beautiful, and this is the 85 millimeters. Oh my god, this is so gorgeous. Wait, it is so beautiful. Okay, and the red bottoms. Oh my goodness, I cannot wait to wear this. Yeah, I'm so scared these are not gonna fit. I'm so scared. Okay, I'm gonna try this and then I'm gonna do like a try on so you guys can see how they look on my feet. But these are very, very pretty. And like I said, these are my first ever pair of Louboutin. Wow.
Yo. Sorry. Turn it up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Yeah. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. When she goes dirty like a pig, all them man them watch her like a clip. Girl on fire, I swear see you late. EDK ever trade a money keep. Yeah. Girl you not like him oohs. Touch your head, shoulders, knees and toes. EDK LM toutes les bonnes choses. So now only you and me I go pose. Oh no. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Cause you know say you want turn me on. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Turn up, mommy, turn up. 8 o'clock and you still want to turn me on. She say, that's how your man say, that's how your man do. And the man them come around trying to take away my baby. Let me only fuck with the girls wey be there when the money no be there. So one time for the girls where they keep you on it. Turn up, mommy, turn up. Get me laugh the things you do, mommy, don't stop. And me laugh the things you send by me WhatsApp. And me